What's up guys? So we already got started for today's video. If you haven't noticed already, we're working on the interior of the truck. Not really working on it, we're just washing it up, cleaning it, because who knows how long it hasn't been cleaned. The first thing we did was take out the seat, and then after we took off like all the rubber stuff inside, I'm not sure what you call that, but we took all that out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like keep it. I kind of like the way this looks, but we're still working on it. So now we're gonna have a time lapse of me working on it. So I'm not sure if you guys were able to see on the time lapse like that the truck had a lot of sand, but on the floor of the truck there was like a little bit of sand on this side, and there's a lot more sand on the driver's side. But I used a grinder and a sander, and then I made it a little bit more smooth. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do that or what am I supposed to do, but I like the way it looked, so that's what I did, and that's how it is right now. Now I'm going to wash the floor with some soap and water because it's like really nasty and grimy, and I'm sure that the water and soap will help. And then on another note, I want the truck to look like that old like work truck look with like all that like beat up rust and just like that bare metal look. So this door, it looks like it got an accident. The paint's like chipping from the accident a while back. I'm not sure when it got an accident, I'm just saying, because it's not even like straight. You can tell right here it's like all crooked right here. And so I got the sander and I sanded it down, and it's getting that bare metal look, which I love. So I'm gonna continue doing that with the sander. So other than working on the inside, that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, so I finished up the door. I like the way it looks, other than it being crashed and bent and stuff. But I don't like these. I don't know why they're on there. I know they're to hold these, but it ain't come off. So I'm gonna take it off with the grinder right now. Alright, so I finished shining this side. I like the way it looks. But now I'm going to paint the door sills. These are the ones that came with it. And it looks like they got painted already, but like it's rusty. So since like the inside is like blue and like, it's not perfect. So I'm just gonna paint them black, just to keep it simple. As you can see, I finally finished cleaning the inside of the truck. I think it looks better than when we first started. When we first started, there was like a bunch of dirt and like thick dirt. The rust was showing. There's just that black rubber thing. Honestly, I'm happy with it. I tried cleaning this, and I think I'm not sure what that is, but I couldn't clean it at all. So I tried cleaning, but honestly it didn't really change as much. But I'm really happy. Now I know that my truck is clean on the inside, or somewhat clean. I still need to clean other things like the dashboard, a little bit of the steering console, and these. So I need to finish cleaning up that, but I think that's gonna be another day. Right now I'm just gonna put the seat back in, and then since I painted the door sills, I'm gonna put the door sills back in. I'm not sure if I need it since there's no that rubber thing that was covering the floor. I don't think I need it, but I'm gonna put it on anyway, so just give it some looks. So we're gonna go put the seat back in right now. Alright, so this is all I'm going to do for today. I'm going to continue the video, but for this day, that's all I'm going to do. Still need to clean these, as I said. Just need to do little details before I'm actually done. But as you can see, here are the door sills. I like the way it looks. It looks pretty cool. And then I put the mats back in. And I actually like the way everything looks. That's about it for now. And then if I close the door, there's the door, how it looks. The metal look. I like the way that looks too. So overall, I'm pretty happy, but this video's not done yet. It's been 2 days from the last clip you guys just saw. We basically put the seat back in, the door sills, and we cleaned the floor. But now we're gonna like focus on the little details. There's like a lot of dust. Like the seat has a little dust. The windows have a little dust. And like the steering column has a little dust too. So we're just gonna clean out the little details and we will be done with the truck. So that's gonna do it for today's video. We cleaned the inside of the truck. We took that rubber off. There was a lot of dust everywhere, so we cleaned all that out. There's like a huge black mark right here, other than like the paint just chipping off. We got that cleaned. I feel we got a lot of things cleaned in this truck on the inside. I feel like it's so much more cleaner. And when I first got the truck, there were just like a bunch of things flying in the air. There was like dust, leaves, and it was kind of nasty, to be honest with you. And I'm very glad that I cleaned it and that I'm able to enjoy it now. As you saw, I painted the door sills black. Just little things here and there, you know, kind of on the budget. So whatever that can be done. Make it more comfortable, more fun, exciting. And for me, I'm pretty satisfied with what happened today. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if I mention anything that doesn't seem right or I'm doing something wrong, just comment down, let me know what I'm doing, so next time I know what to do, and so I'm continuing learning in this stuff and just having a good time. So peace.